Complaining about noisy neighbors.
Hi, Lena. What can I do for you?
Greg, I have a problem. Big one.
Tell me, what's going on?
My neighbor, upstairs, very loud, every night.
How late are we talking?
2 a.m., 3 a.m., music, stomping.
Stomping? Like heavy footsteps?
Yes, bang, 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 above my head.
That does sound disruptive.
I knock on his door last week.
And what happened?
He said, sorry, but nothing changed.
Did you write down the dates and times?
Write down? No, should I?
Yes. Always keep a record. It helps.
Okay, I start doing that today.
I'll speak to him officially as manager.
I don't want trouble with him.
That's normal, but noise rules are clear.
What are the rules exactly?
Quiet hours start at 11 p.m. here.
11? He goes until 3 a.m.
Yeah, that's a clear violation.
What happens if he doesn't stop?
We issue a formal warning, then consequences.
Okay, thank you for listening, Greg.
Buying a second-hand bicycle.
Hi, are you looking at this bike?
Yes. How much is it?
80 pounds. It's a great deal.
80. Is that the final price?
I could go down to 70, maybe.
It looks a little old.
It's 5 years old, but well-maintained.
What does well-maintained mean?
Serviced regularly. Brakes and gears work well.
Can I test it, ride it?
Of course, go up and down there.
Okay, one moment.
Take your time, no pressure.
The gears feel a bit stiff.
That's an easy fix, just needs oil.
I don't know how to do that.
Any bike shop does it for 5 pounds.
5 pounds? That is nothing.
So, what do you think?
65 pounds? My final offer.
70, and I'll throw in the lock.
Free lock also? Done. Deal.
You drive a hard bargain, Kofi.
I learned from my mother.
Signing up for a library card.
Good afternoon. First time visiting us?
Yes. Can I become a member?
Absolutely. It's completely free.
Free? Really? I thought it costs money.
Nope. Free for all residents.
Resident means I live here?
Exactly. Do you live in Cardiff?
Yes. I moved here 2 months ago.
Perfect. I just need some details.
Okay. What details?
Full name, address, and a phone number.
My address in English, I sometimes get confused.
That's okay. Take it slow.
14 Maple Street, CF 10 4AB.
Got it. And how do you spell your surname?
Pavel. Wait, that is my first name.
No worries. Happens all the time.
Sorry, surname is Novak. Novak.
Pavel Novak. Done. Here's your card.
That was fast. What can I borrow?
Books, DVDs, audiobooks, even ebooks online.
Ebooks too? On my phone?
Yes. Download the app. It's all free.
This is the best thing in Cardiff.
We think so too.
Ordering food delivery by phone.
Hello, Marco's Pizza. How can I help?
Hi, I want to order pizza for delivery.
Great. What size would you like?
Medium. Is that enough for 2 people?
Comfortably, yes. Good choice.
Okay, medium. And can I ask toppings?
Of course. What would you like on it?
Cheese, tomato, and mushroom, please.
Any meat? Chicken? Pepperoni?
No meat. I am vegetarian.
No problem at all. Vegetarian option noted.
How long does delivery take?
About 30 to 40 minutes tonight.
40 minutes. Okay, I am very hungry.
We'll be as fast as we can.
Thank you. Also, can I add a drink?
Sure. We have cola, juice, water.
One cola, please. Large.
Got it. Can I take your address?
Yes. 22 Burns Road, G413NB.
And your name for the order.
Nadia. Nadia.
Total is £14.50. Cash or card?
Card, please. At the door.
Perfect. See you soon, Nadia.